This video is intended to aid the trained service technician in repairing this particular Alto-Shaam oven. Do not attempt to repair this oven if you are not a trained service technician. Service technicians may obtain the proper training by contacting the Alto-Shaam technical service team. When repairing this oven, wear personal protective equipment and follow local codes and regulations. Contact the Alto-Shaam technical service team if you have any questions about how to safely and properly repair this appliance. The purpose of this video is to show the removal and replacement process for the Y2 and Y5 water solenoid valves in the Converge Multi-Cook oven. To perform this process, you'll need basic hand tools and replacement hose clamps. The Y2 Y5 assembly is a dual port valve supplying untreated water to both the condensate tanks through the Y2 port and the hand shower through the Y5 port. In this video, we are using a 2-chamber Converge oven, but the process is identical for the 3-chamber model. The valve is located in the lower right side back corner of the oven. To begin, disconnect the electrical power source from the oven. Next, turn off the water supply to the oven. Grab a bucket and towels for any spills. Examine the rear plumbing and drain configuration. Move the oven away from the wall. Make sure the drain does not restrict the oven's movement. Unscrew and disconnect the water supply hoses from the oven. Remove the 2 screws securing the top panel of the oven. Open the top panel and rotate the support latch to hold the top panel in the up position. Remove the right side panel. Remove the adapter fitting and elbow from the water valve. Label and number each of the wires and remove them from the valve. Remove the 2 screws securing the Y2 Y5 valve to the oven. Reach in and remove the valve and hoses from the oven. Label and mark the hose locations. Remove the hose clamps from the hoses and remove them from the valve. Install the new hose clamps onto the hoses. Now it's time to install the new valve. Install the hoses onto the new valve and tighten the hose clamps. Reinstall all the wires back onto their original solenoid terminals. Slide the valve into position. Secure the valve to the oven with the 2 screws. Install the adapter fitting onto the valve. The elbow needs to have a downward angle, shown here. Reposition the oven to connect the water hoses and the electrical supply. Reinstall the left side water hose to the oven. Then, reinstall the right side water hose to the oven. Now, we can turn the water supply back on and resupply electrical power to the oven. Allow the oven control to power up. Then navigate to the service screen. Enter the service password. Find the Y2 selection on the screen and touch the square to energize the solenoid valve. Inspect for water leaks at the valve. Test the hand shower to check for leaks. Then, retract the hand shower hose to its stowed position. Reinstall the right side panel. Lower the top panel back down and push each vent tube gasket seal back into place. Install the 2 screws to secure the top panel to the oven. Move the oven back into its original position in the kitchen. The Y2 Y5 water solenoid replacement process is now complete. For more service videos, please visit ServiceNet.